Here we are entering Tamanoas Park along 64th Avenue. I'm gonna pause here and get some water. I banked some kilometers just getting here. Today is May 12th, about 24 degrees, a warm one. And here we see the fairly new, the sprinklers are coming in, so I have to cover the camera a bit, but the fairly new lacrosse field that's been put in about a year or two ago. Although it's used a lot of the time for, well, that one guy's practicing grass hockey, it looks like. I don't understand why people play grass hockey, like why? You have to bend your back so much. Why don't they make the sticks longer? It seems painful. Sorry, I have to get my glove in front of the camera because of the damn water spraying everywhere. What the fuck? Right when I show up. Ah, that's okay. I'm used to getting pissed on. I'd just rather not get the camera damaged. Let me move. Fuck. Yeah, that one guy over there is playing grass hockey. I don't get it, man. It's like, okay, yeah, obviously an ice rink isn't available everywhere, so people who like hockey can just play on the grass, and there's a specific sport of grass hockey, which this guy seems to be practicing. That's cool. I mean, well, one thing about grass hockey is the fact that the stick is so short. I mean, look at that. Can you see that? Look, he's practicing his fucking Wayne Gretzky slap shots right into the net. Look at how low he has to arch. It seems uncomfortable. Fucking future grass hockey Gretzky right there. Why don't they make the sticks longer? Is there anyone in the grass hockey universe who can speak to me about why don't they make the sticks longer? Because this is something I don't understand. Because obviously in ice hockey, it's nice long sticks. The guys can stand up straight, or I guess they're going to be crouching slightly because they're actually playing and skating and whatnot. But grass hockey just seems painful, especially when they're running with the ball. They have to be so arched over. Just make the stick longer, dude. Because you see, his arm's almost fully extended, just trying to get the stick to contact the ground so he can whack the balls. Yeah. And they got sprinklers on the corners there. I don't know what for, because this is all artificial turf. Maybe just to keep things cool. Right? This is artificial. Anyway, let's continue our ride. We're deep in the hood of Surrey right here. It's Punjabistan. I'm just discreetly moving my way through Punjabistan. I hope I don't get detected by anyone. Like one of these gangsters. One of these Punjabi gangsters. Nice washroom facility here. You can piss freely. There's the old basketball court. Got another field here closer to the high school. I guess they're not just for lacrosse. So you could play soccer here. This one's huge. Yeah, you could play soccer here. Not worry about muddy fields because of the drainage that's built into these state-of-the-art turf fields. Scoreboard and everything, son. Hey, I wonder if they have a football team. Because this looks like it's big enough to play football, but they don't have the lines or markings for that. All right. There's change rooms there. Oh, on the back of that, there's like a room that some old guy walked into. Let's go see what that room is about. There's a bicycle there as well. Uphill we go. Water fountains. Yay! Water fountains. Although I brought my own water. Change room C. Oh, just an old Indo-Canadian hangout. Alright. Cool thing about this park is that there's a green belt connected to it. So we're just gonna hop onto that and go wee. Here's a third turf field. Man, Tomanawis Park is being loaded up. Look at this one. That was nice. He moved to the right-hand side. Unlike many immigrants, they just keep walking on the left like they did back home. It's annoying. We got a proper cyclist with a helmet and everything that went by. All right. Yeah, damn, eh? Check out this purple bush right here. The flowers are a-blooming. Oh, they smell so good. You guys should smell this right now. Rose petals. Oh my god, I just leaned in for a smell. They smell like fucking perfume. They smell like the highest quality perfume that you would pay $50 for in a bottle. Holy shiz. They smell so freaking good. Just out here in the wild growing by itself. There's a bee right there, sucking on the pollen. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but if you, I'll lean the camera. If you can see, there's a bee right there. Yep, it's doing its thing. That honey would taste great. Holy damn, these fucking roses smell good. And they must be of the sexy plantitis group. Hey, gotta hit the crosswalk signal. What do you think I am, an asshole?
No, no, no.
Lights are on, traffic stops, and then I go. And I don't get hit by a car. I don't see the ducks around here. Oh, I like those birds with the red wings. They're hot. Look at this. People leave a ton of seeds for these ducks to chow down on. And birds, even though the sign says you shouldn't. It's alright. I like the ducks, especially the male ducks with the nice green heads. Time to pick up the speed a bit, pick up the speed. Hyper. Hyper. You gotta cross safely. That's what I always say. All right, we're leaving the Greenbelt temporarily to turn into the Newton Athletic Park. I usually don't do this, but we'll do it for you guys. A lot of excitement over there. A lot of soccer games. Oh, they're playing frisbee over there. I didn't know that's a sport. More frisbee. Frisbee's the game. Frisbee seems to be the game. I didn't even know that was a sport. It's Action BMX, everybody. It's an institution. Gotta cross safely. Safety first, guys. If you get hit by a car, you can't pedal anymore.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
Crossing 76th Avenue here, it's clear. Okay. We'll head to 80th Avenue, and that'll call it for the Greenbelt. I mean, they have some good cycling infrastructure there alongside the sidewalks. It's newly constructed, separated bike paths next to the sidewalk. Although closer to King George, there still seems to be a lot of construction going on. So it's been fucked up around there for a while. Okay, we'll be exiting the Greenbelt soon onto 80th Avenue. It probably goes further than that, but I don't really need to hump all the way through. And here we are, see? The nice new wide sidewalks here along 80th Avenue. Lots of room for the bicycle. Let's see, the crossing here works at 128th Street. Check that out, eh? That's like the mecca of Indian shopping right there. 128th Street, 80th. We're gonna cross when it's nice and safe. Of course, there's still cars coming for some reason. I'm onto my designated bike lane. Let's just take a quick detour through a busy Indo-Canadian business complex.
You can get a feeling for the Indo-Canadianness of the area here. Let's see if we can circle through here back to the exit. Who's gonna pick up this cardboard box? Hopefully the person who dropped it there.
What the hell? There's an Afghan Chopan restaurant there. I didn't know there was an Afghan Chopan restaurant there. Testing out my bill. All right, thank you for joining me today. This is Jeet Rider, and this is where I'll be signing off. Catch you next time.